I'm Omkar, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can set up your own ad campaign. I will also go through the tracking options and show you how to publish your campaign to Facebook. Let me start by telling you some key points and then we will jump right into the live demo part. So here are some key points. Schedule campaign to run a certain time of day and or week. Define performance-based rules to pause your campaigns. You can also add your co-workers to collaborate with you and share assets. Auto rotation of ads lets you decide what ad variation should run before Facebook does. It has also a very cool feature of a split, which we will later discuss in this video. Let me click on back to dashboard. Here I've made a new account, so it will be easier for you to understand. I'm gonna go with Omkar Bajpai. As you can see, here are some stats which are currently 000, and in the upper corner there are 4 buttons: create ads, set targeting, publish ads, and my campaign. So let me click on create ads. There's only one page, marketing PG. As you can see, there are numerous type of ads you can create from here, like text ad, link ad, photo ad. I'm gonna give you an example with link ad. Choose an objective, brand awareness, traffic. I'm gonna go with traffic. Put on a link, let's just say www.xyz.com. Okay. Call to action, shop now. Add primary text. Let's just say we wanna sell shoes. Shoe collection 2020. If you hover over this question mark, you can see how your ad will be looking in the real version. Okay, so I'm gonna click on now add link www.abc.com. Add link headline, best shoe collection. Actually, I'm gonna go with 2 headlines. Best summer collection. Add link description. The best shoe collection can get at this price. Okay, you can save this template. You can also add images. I'm gonna go with this one. I know it's not of shoes, but I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, save as new template. Template name shoe. Click on the folder, save new template. Okay, it's saved. Then use creative. So here are 2 ads. Let's just move to the next part, which is set targeting. Okay, new targeting. Earlier in this video, I've told you that there is a very cool features of a split. Let me just tell you what it does. Okay, so let's just say I wanna show this ad in India and in United Kingdom. So if I wanna see the whole result and demographics of United Kingdom and India as a whole, I'll just click on any. But if I want to see the demographics of India separately from United Kingdom, I can just simply click on split. Okay, it will divide it into 2 segments, and we can use it in any features like in age. Okay, 40. Don't split. Okay, every year you can split it every year, every second year, every third year, according to your preferences. Gender all. If you want detailed targeting, there are more options of detailed targeting on basis of connection, of basis of lookalike audience. Okay, let's just move on. Use targeting. Okay, now there are 2 ads and 2 ad sets, so the number of total ads will be 4. 2 into 2, 4. So publish ads, generate 4 ads. Okay, You can use an existing campaign or you can create a new one. I'm gonna go with new one. Shoe collection 2020. Folder summer 2020. Okay. Categories none. You can also set time here and then budget. Okay. You can optimize it for link click, impression, landing page views, post engagement, reach, according to your preferences. I'm gonna go with link clicks. Fill in your budget. Let's just say 500 per day. Okay, okay. Next. You can also integrate it with your Google Ad account and see and compare both of the data side by side. Next step, preview. So that's how we generate ads and help you through it. This is all from my end. Let us know if you wish to reach out your perfect audience or you want more lead conversion and you want to automate your process. We will more than happy to connect with you. Thank you.